Okay, let's attempt this simplest one. This one, third angle orthographic projection in N2. Third angle orthographic projection N2. Okay, so we are given two primary views here that are given in what? In third angle orthographic projection. This is the third angle orthographic projection symbol, isn't it? So, which means we can say this is the front view, this is the right view. You understand? So the question reads as follows. Figure 3 shows an outside front view and the right view of a what? Of a bearing carrier. Draw to a scale 1:1 in third angle orthographic projection, the following views of the bearing carrier. 4.1. You are expected to draw the full sectional front view, followed by an outside view with hidden details. You understand? With hidden details, which means if you draw the outside view without hidden details, you are not going to be awarded this 5 marks. Maybe you might get 2 out of 5. You understand? So 4.3, you must draw a top view. You must draw a top view, which means it's an outside top view. So at any 8 dimensions, at the tagline and the skit beneath the layout. Okay, so now what are you supposed to start? So since it's a third angle orthographic projection, remember the top view, it should be on top of the front view. You understand? Because as you're about to draw, you'll find a student starting to draw this front view here. Okay, yes, you draw now. The position for the right is here. Then now you find that now the right view, it will be going out of your drawing sheet. So before you draw, it is very much important to analyze and read and understand the question, so that as you're about to start to draw, you know how are you going to guide your drawings. You understand? Okay, for instance, this drawing, you must start at the bottom left hand of your drawing sheet. If you will start by drawing the front view, so that you're going to have enough space for your right view and enough space for your top view going up. You understand? So let us start. And the scale is 1:1. Okay, 1:1. I can start with this line, followed by a horizontal center line. You understand? Then from here I can measure 4 millimeter. Then I can measure 18 millimeter. Remember, not from where the 4 ends, isn't it? (18 millimeter), 19, 18 here. Like this. Then from there, we are having a dimension of 136, starting from where your 18 ends, isn't it? 136, 135, 36 is right here. So there is no any dimension beyond that. So let me extend my horizontal center line. Okay, then from there I Then draw this dimension, which is 20, because we always space our views with 20 millimeter. You understand? So from here till here I can draw the right view. Now I can be able to draw the right view. Okay, then let's see how much. Analyze it. Okay, then from here till here is 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter. 9. There is my 8 millimeter. 8 millimeter, and this 8 millimeter from here till here is how much? Actually, from where 32 ends, there is 12 millimeter. This 8 millimeter, I can just draw it since I've already correlated it. You understand? Then from there the set is 12. Let me double check. Is diameter 12 is this one. And how about from here till here? The set is diameter 24. Is diameter 24. Diameter 24. So which means from here till here is the half of 24. From here till here is the half of 24. So which means from here till here I can measure 24. What is the half is 12. I can measure 12 like this. Then from here I can now measure 32. 32 and another 32 and another 20 which is 12. Another 12. So at this one I can put the center line. Then at this one I can have just horizontal. Understand? So from here till here 44 this side and 44 this side. These 44s, they are giving me the center of these holes. I can even center, even the side center. Like this, Y1. Then let me check where is the 32, which is this one. 32 is this one. So which means actually this one was supposed to be a center. Center. So we are told it's diameter 12. It's diameter 12. This is it. In this side, remember the question said an outside right view, which means you are drawing this right view the way you see it. You understand? You are expected to draw it the way you see it. So I'll advise you to start with it even though you are not going to complete it. so that when you draw the front, it will be more simpler, and you'll be even accurate. You understand? So now let's draw this one from the very same center. The set is diameter 24, of which is what we did there. Let's just cross check. 24 divided by 2 is 12, isn't it? If I'm not mistakenly. Yes, it's correct. We were correct, you see. So now you're going to draw dactyl here, but this side hidden. A1. We do the same thing this side. Dactyl here, but when you come this side, hidden. Bottom. When you're coming this side, hidden. There you go. Hidden. So which means now you can come back now to have this one solid, this one solid. This one solid, and like this you go. Okay, then now what is expected from you is diameter 62. So 62 is 31 most. So you open your drawing canvas to 31. Diameter 62, which one is this one? It's the bigger one, isn't it? Yes. To 31. This is it. Then you come back here, then you draw it dark like this. Then after that, let's follow by diameter 24. 24 divided by 2, it's how much? Is 12. 12 is right there. This is it. This is it. Then from there, let's draw these supporters, because these are what a supporter, which are these ones, isn't it? They are of a thickness of 10 millimeter. 10. So you mark at 10 and mark at 0. For now, draw them faint. Because you can see that there's something like a radius there, so you are going to use this type of a ruler, a set square like this, and like that, which is this one. Below you do the same thing. There you go. Like this we go. We are still looking for these 5 marks, isn't it? So now what is expected from you is to draw this these hidden details This, remember, from here till here is 8 millimeter, which means again from here till here is still the same 8, still the same 8, still the same 8, still the same 8, of which is what we did here. You understand? So here it will be something of this nature. This is that 8 which we did it most. 8, hidden, 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter, 8 millimeter. There is my 8 millimeter. This will go. Construct it further because you are going to need it right there by your front view. You understand? So which means you must come back here to further extend this arc of yours, this 24, diameter 24, so that from here becomes something of this nature. This will go. What you did up there, you must do it down here. If we are at a right track, then from there, so this is the question that I normally encourage people to end with it as well, that angle orthographic projection, because it's take long, you understand, it's taking long. Okay, so now what we are left with in order for us to get the whole 5 marks, these smaller nyana hidden details, you understand, so we'll get back to them. Okay, so now we can project lines. Now all the points that are behaving horizontal, project them to give you your your front view, sorry. Front view. This one with that. Okay. This one with that, this one with that, this one. There it goes. Like this. We go. Then from there till there, which is this one, and this one, which is this one. isn't it? So we can now draw this one dark, which is which one? It's this one. You understand? So from here till there, what's the set from here till here is 18, isn't it? Which is from here till here 18. Then there is 19 from where 18 ends. So from here till here I must measure 19 millimeter. There's my 20, 19C. You understand? So which means this can't till there. I can draw it without fear or favor, solid from here till there, and solid from here till there. And then, so since they set a full sectional front view, you understand, if the question say a full sectional front view, even though we are not given the what you call the cutting plane, when now you must know where was the cutting plane situated. Was situated in the center, isn't it? So in the center here, you understand? Okay, so now I can, which means the from here till here we won't even draw it, it will disappear. You understand? So which means I can have this like this. Supposed to stop you right there. Isn't it? From here till there it has disappeared, so I do not have to draw it. You see, it's not a sharp corner, it's an arc, so it's supposed to be like this. Then from there, what is happening? What is expected from you? So let's get rid of what is happening here. From here till here 16 millimeter using a scale 1:1, isn't it? So there is 15, 16 is here. Simple. So construct it up, because you are going to need it when you are drawing the third view, which is your what? Which is your top view. Are we together? So we are having a diameter of what? Of 40, and this 40 is one of these hidden details. This diameter 40 is one of these hidden details. So you better draw it. 40 divided by 2 is 20, isn't it? There it is. So draw it hidden like this. So you can see that we are drawing these views more or less simultaneously. So now you can project them towards your left hand side so that they give you a clear picture or understanding on your front view. So from here till here is 84. Simple, huh? So now from here I can measure the 84. There is 85, 84 is here. Or else I can even draw it dark. Remember, we cut to expose the inside view, isn't it? So what seems to be hidden, it will be now exposed. So now I can have this one dark, which is this one, isn't it? So this one is the one that I just drew dark. This one dark, this one dark. So which means without fear or favor, I am going to have this one solid and have this one solid. And come back here to have this one solid through up. You understand? So again here, without fear or favor, you are going to have it like this. And come back here to have this one from here till there, so which means from here till here, everyone, and from here till there. Solid, 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 or dark, whatever you prefer. Sorry. Then from there, let's see what is happening now. What is happening? Okay, we are told to use 45 from here till here. From here till here is diameter 38. 38 divided by 2. How much are you getting? 19 millimeter. 19 millimeter. This is it, and this is still going to give you the one of your hidden detail there by your right view. Bon. Then from there, yes, it's collect. It's collect. Like this we go. Like this we go. And then let's see what is happening here. This one was diameter 38, okay, which is what we just did now, which is this one. So from there you are going to have to use angle 45. Angle 45, where is this one? From here till there, and from here till there. I want 45, so that from here till there is solid or dark. Then construct this one. They will give you one of the hidden detail there as well. This one. Now you come back here, you place your compass like this, then you draw hidden. So at the end of the day, you will find that your right view is now complete. You understand? Okay, let's see, where are we? Then from there we know which is from here till there. This one will have to disappear, isn't it? So is the 18th one. So which means at this point, this one, without fear or favor, I'll just use a ruler like this, and like this we go. Now I come back to close here and close there. A1 like this. Now let's double check what is happening here. What is happening here? Because from here till here it will disappear. This one, is it cutted? This one. So going in, we are having a dimension of 5 millimeter. 5 millimeter, which is this one. Take it up like this. Then from here, at that 5, you are going to have something of this nature, and till where? Till here. Okay, which means it's this one. and here, and here. Which one? This one. These holes, they were cutted, they were not cutted. This one was before the cutting plane, the other one was after the cutting plane, so it won't be cutted. You understand? So then you can begin to section your front view. Your front view. Your hatches, they must be equal spaced at an angle of 45 degrees. Like this we go. Like this we go. This one is already out there. So we go. Like this we go. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Hey, bon. Third angle orthographic projection in sectioning N2, grade 11. Thereby engineering, graphics and design. Then you can be awarded 6 marks there. A full sectional front view, an outside left view with hidden details. So 6 plus 5 is yours already, which is 11. It's yours already. You understand? So draw an outside top view. Outside top view. So which means from this point going up, you can have your right view. So now you are going to project all the lines right from your right view. Once they touch this line of third angle, this line of 45 degrees, they must change the direction. They must become horizontal. This is their center. This was those holes, isn't it? You take all of them. This is those hidden details. The last one. Supporter. Oh, this supporter, did we draw it here? We didn't. Oh, we forgot. Which is which one? Which is this one? Just a matter of like this. You go on your front view. Like this you go. They won't be sectioned. We don't section a supporter when it's cut it along its height, but when it's cut it across its height, that's when you section it. Project. This is their center. The last one, which is this one. So now, from here, they go like this, go like this, Remember the question, they said draw an outside top view, so not a sectioned. The main center. Now we are drawing something that we don't know, but we are going to use the information that we are given. At the center of the other two holes. And the last one. You understand? So which means you must do the same thing right from your front view. All of them, they must go up, up, up. Is there anyone missing? No. Okay, this one and up. Okay, which means right from here you must get your what? Your top view. Right from here you must get your top view, then you'll be given 5 marks. 5 marks. 5 marks. You understand? So if they are saying at any 8 dimension, so this dimension you must take them like this. So if they are saying dimensions, it's up to you whether you decide to dimension this one or this one or this one up until they are 8. You understand? So add the title and the skill beneath the layout. The title, what is the title of the drawing? The title of the drawing is the bearing carrier. So the title of the drawing is the bearing carrier, and the scale is 1:1. You understand? So now to complete it, so that at the end you are getting what? 26 marks. So you can just take 19 out of 26 or 21 out of 26, then you move to the next question. You understand?